We are here today in Northridge. We just completed a beautiful sliding gate and a pedestrian gate for his nursing home. Everything came out really beautiful. This is a 35-foot gate, so it takes a while to open. For right now, we are in the process of programming and making sure everything is working. So as you can see, this part of it is complete. Here's a little motor that we put in here. We also ran power to the back. There's the rollers. We also put a firebox. I'm going to go ahead and close it for you so you can see how it goes. We just completed this second portion of this gate. This is a swing gate in the back part of the property. I'm going to go ahead and open it for you so you can see how it goes. We put the LA 400s on this, and we also have a firebox. Everything came out beautiful. We also put an exit device on this as it is a commercial property, so people will be going in and out randomly. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you on the next beautiful installation from Mulholland Brand.